Hi everybody, thanks for watching. If you like our video, please subscribe and like, we'd love that. So today we are talking about a Mitsubishi Lancer. This is my daughter. She's learning a little bit about the vehicle, and she's going to be my filmer part of the time. And then I also got little Maximo, my son. Say hi, Max.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm 5. I'm not 6 years old.
Yep, okay. So the issue with this car is we got a call, and my brother was stranded, broke down, shut down, went in protection mode. Several things with this car. The information I was actually able to obtain on YouTube thanks to all of you. So here I am going to share my experience and what I had done with this car. From the start, the level of the antifreeze coolant was low, so initially we top it off, try to crank it about a good hour fighting. We got it turned over, but it's overheating. Determined that the radiator cap itself was faulty, needed replacement.
Yeah.
The ignition switch inside of the vehicle itself, unfortunately won't be able to show you guys, but it's under this housing here. I had to open this up, one screw to hold it in, and a few electrical connections. Electrical connections are a bugger to get off, as we all know, but success on that issue was solved. No hesitation there at this point. It was still running rough. We still couldn't figure out what was going on, and still overheating. So we dug in further and finally got it started running hesitant. We changed the mass airflow sensor. Pretty simple, pretty expensive. Cost about a couple $100. Determined that was bad when the vehicle was actually running in a hesitant fashion, and was actually able to, just while it was running, unplug this, and it ran normally. It tells me that map sensor is bad. So we replaced that. Still overheating, guys. At this point, you have your thermostat and everything. I didn't want to get into that just yet. So what I did is I decided I needed new radiator fluid, replace that. And then down in the engine here, we've got what they call the temperature sensor. Pretty easy. Once everything was drained, it's just one bolt, one connection, in and out. Well, it didn't solve it. Still overheating. Further digging into it, and thanks to a lot of you people on YouTube. The reason why I'm doing this video is a lot of the information that I was actually able to obtain and find was in different languages, and even though the information was there, I could not understand fully, so it took more time than needed. So again, I'm expressing what I experienced here and sharing, and hopefully can help somebody out. Down here is the fan control module. So that module connects with the existing computer system on this vehicle, and it was not kicking over fans, hence the overheating. Yesterday I spent all day replacing all these parts, diagnosing it, got what I thought was a good conclusion on what we need to do to correct it. And today we returned and we pulled this fan control module, replaced that. It was fairly painless. Everything on this vehicle was fairly easy, and well, I'll tell you what, she runs like a champ now, guys. I hope with this information that I've shared with you guys that hopefully I help somebody. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe and like. And my children want to say bye to the world. Bye. Thanks, everybody.